Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to copy a message on Gmail using your Android device. Whether you need to save important information or share a message with someone else, we've got you covered. Let's dive into it. First, grab your Android device and open your Gmail app. You'll find the familiar interface waiting for you. Next, locate the Chat tab placed at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that tab to access your conversations. Now, browse through your chat conversations and open the one that contains the message you want to copy. Once you're in the desired conversation, find the specific message that you wish to copy. When you see it, simply tap and hold on that message to select it. Finally, look for the option that says Copy Text and tap on it. And just like that, your message is now copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. That's all it takes. We hope this tutorial has made the process of copying messages on Gmail easier for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.